Hit a pause. That Amazon drone hovering over your driveway, it guts. EV batteries, iPhone chip, winter wheat, sail through Singapore's mega terminal. Dodging Red Sea Inferno, rerouting 20% global trade in 2026. Every slowdown spike your grocery bill. $200 yearly per household. 12.3 billion tons of cargo funneled through 100 superport arteries pumping 28.5 trillion dollar. 90% non-oil trade. Suez 2021 bled $10 billion daily. Now Houthi drone toss 32 ships monthly. Panama drought strand 220 vessels. US strike idle $5 billion weekly. China own control 42% top 20 port. US 2% port and dock. They are empire forges where Rome rose, Britain ruled, Beijing built. One blockade civilization starved. Leningrad 1941. We map the chokehold crane to command. Who coining your future from the concrete piers. The Eastern Titan, state-led mercantilism. In the East Port are extension of nation sovereignty, fueled by staggering capital and aggressive expansion. Shanghai COSCO, this is an undisputed Levantine. By processing 49.8 million TEU, that is 20-foot equivalent unit, it doesn't just facilitate trade, it dictates it. The 8x GDP multiplier means that every dollar generated at the dock, $8 circulated through the regional economy, cementing China as the world's primary manufacturing hub. Ningbo Jushan, often operating in tandem with Shanghai, this geo commands 16% of global maritime throughput. Their dominance is structural. They provide the sheer volume required to maintain China's leverage over global supply chain. The strategic nexus, wealth and diplomacy. These ports leverage their unique geography to act as a middleman for entire continent. Singapore, Temasek, the ultimate transshipment nexus. Singapore doesn't just ship its own good. The ultimate transshipment nexus. Singapore doesn't just ship its own good, it juggles the cargo of 135 nations. Its 500 billion economic halo is the testament for the role as the world's primary maritime intersection. Dubai, Jebel Ali, DP World. Post-Abraham Accord 2, Dubai has solidified itself as the gateway to Africa and Middle East. By vaulting oil and gold, it secures 50% stake in African trade, using logistics as a tool of diplomatic influence. Efficiency versus labor. While the East automate and expand under state backing, the West grapple with the internal friction and aging infrastructure. Rotterdam, the Rhine gateway, is pivoting towards sustainability as its competitive edge by transforming into hydrogen hub. It seeks to remain relevant in a decarbonizing global economy through its 15.2 million TEUs pale in comparison to Asian volume. US, LA, Long Beach. These are the primary walls for American consumption. However, they are plagued by labor volatility. The echo of the ILA strike and the massive 2 billion losses illustrate stalling effect where union tension and slower automation allow eastern state backport to widen the power gap. The current reality is 72% state back tilt toward the east. Hegemony is currently being craned toward those who can automate faster and fund the largest. Private finance and faces labor friction. The east uses port as an ironclad instrument of nation will. China's Crane Commando now use AI to move cargo 2.5 times faster than rival, slashing labor cost by 60% while the East automate the green tsunami hit the West. Rotterdam and Singapore are pivoting to hydrogen and show power to meet strict 2030 climate mandate. Meanwhile, India is surging. Mundra Megaport is 12 billion bed to triple its capacity, while the Chabhar route strategically bypass regional rival. But the digital evolution has a dark side. Cyber siege after 650 million ransomware freeze in Hamburg, port like Shenzhen are deploying quantum shield. In 2026, Kwai revolution proves that to survive a port must be fast, green and unhackable. China's COSCO operate an 82 billion state armada, securing port from Gwadar to Darwin to remain sanction-proof, while MSC uses private flexibility to avoid political hit. Maris faces a 1.2 billion hit from Red Sea detour, sparkling merger rumor. Efficiency isn't the only goal. India's Scorpio is going green with 22 methanol power giant, but the stakes are high. If hub like Rotterdam is cut off, Europe starve in 90 days. The Kwai fleet tango is now a matter of survival. Power cakes and blockade battleground. Can crane cataclysm trigger global collapse? Vital choke point like Malacca Strait, 32% of trade, and Hormuz, 21% of oil. Now the flashpoint for conflict. In 2026, Iranian drill and Houthis strike have sent energy prices soaring by 28%. As the US 7th Fleet patrol China's submarine shadow strategic bases. Meanwhile, India's Chabhar investment siphon power from Pakistan's Gwadar. From the drone hack to orbit debris, the battlefield is now digital and physical. History warned when the Kwais are cut, empire crumble. Kwai Quest and the Cosmic Verdict. The expansion, China versus India, the BRI Hydra, China's Belt and Road Initiative now hold stakes in 145 ports. For example, since taking over Greece, Piraeus port, they have tripled its capacity to 6 million TEUs. Adani surge. In India, Adani port has seized 48% of nation's capacity across 30 key locations, positioning India as a major global player. The Western response, the 22 billion Modernization Act, is an attempt to catch up through automation, but local political firedome are slowing progress. Meanwhile, the EU using antitrust law to limit the influence of giant port operators like DP World. The climate and crisis factor. Sinking port, the IPCC warns that the rising sea could engulf 20% of global coils by 2050. New routes. While drought have traffic in Panama Canal, melting Arctic ice is creating new siphoning shortcuts. The plateau. Though China may control 45% of the market by 2030, alliances like the Quad and IMEC are working to fracture this monopoly and fortify alternative routes like Andaman Island. Epic reckoning, peer power. Rome's Quarries Harbour failed to vandalize in a tide of complacency. Liverpool faded after Suez. It docks, silenced by shifting seas. Today, China crafts Silk Road soft power through gleaming mega hub. Yet, hubris haunt the horizon. Over alliance breed vulnerability as a single port choke point. Invite 40% risk spike from strike, storm or sabotage. The mandate is clear. Invest 1 trillion in resilient coils. Automate with AI-driven crane. Greenify via solar power terminal and ally through Quad IMEC corridor. Firm go multi-hub. Diversify to slash single port risk by 40%. Citizen demand transparency. These quay are your lifeline, fueling job, trade, and tomorrow's prosperity. Master your peer with vigilance and vision, and inherit empire eternal. Neglect them, and the tide will turn. Your waterfront, forged or forgotten, the future dog await, forge it.